Toss time as far as this very crucial encounter is concerned here at the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium. The fans have come in and they're expecting a cracker of a game. And the reason for that is very simple. We've got the Telugu Warriors taking on the Chennai Rhinos. I have the two captains here with me for the toss. There's Akhil, the captain of the Telugu Warriors. I've got Shyam, the captain of the Chennai Rhinos. There's Tarun as well, the vice captain for the Telugu Warriors. Of course, we've got Mr. Srikanth, who is the team owner for the Chennai Rhinos. And last but definitely not the least, the marketing director of Bharti Cements. We have here with us Mr. Ravinder Reddy. Pleasure to have you here with us, sir. A must-win game, remember, for the Chennai Rhinos, because if the Telugu Warriors win this, they will have their second win of the CCL T10 Blast and will be through to the finals. The coin is in my hand. I'm going to hand it over to Mr. Reddy. Tails is where the denomination is. Of course, we've got the picture, which we'll call heads. Right, gentlemen, are we good with that? And, well, being very gracious there, Akhil says he'll leave it to Shyam to call. Mr. Reddy with the coin. Shyam, it's going to be your call.
Tails.
Tails is the call. It's spun away. And tails, it isn't. It's a head, which means, Akhil, you won the toss. Yes, that's the head. What are you going to do?
We're going to bowl. We're going to have a bowl first. Hello, Hyderabad.
Well, you're going to have a bowl first, and you want to talk to the fans and let them know why?
I'll tell you why. Because we've won every game that we've chased. I mean, it's a record we've set literally. So we're very happy doing that. Thank you, Hyderabad. Inta support ichinanduku bagunara. Thank you very much.
Well, you've been a side that has been very, very consistent across the CCL, and this year as well, a 9-wicket win in the opener. A chance for you to really seal the deal in this encounter.
Yes, we're looking forward to the final. We really want to win this one. And Chennai is always a brilliant team to play against. They're always good. So thank you for being here. Let's all have a great game.
Any changes to your side going into this encounter that you would like to talk about?
We have Sudhir Babu, who's here today, so he'll be playing in the side. Nanda Kishore is out.
Well, all the best, Akhil, and go well. All the best to you.
Hyderabad, this match, inko match undi. It's the final of the tournament. Please stay back. Let's all have a great time. Thank you.
Thank you so much for doing that, Akhil. It's not just this match. There's the final coming up later. Thank you for letting the fans know that. Shyam, interesting scenario here. They've chosen to have a bowl first because they want to chase. Would you have preferred to bat or chase?
No, actually, last match we bowled first and we wanted to bat this time. And our team is well prepared to batting first. So I think this match, especially with Telugu people, will be good competition because they have a brilliant side. And we're looking forward for a very good game.
Well, overall, the spectacle of CCL brings, you know, some of the celebrities and well-known faces and stars across film industries of India on one platform for the fans to enjoy here in the stadium and back home. Your thoughts on how everyone, the biggest of stars, comes together every year?
Yeah, that's the best part of CCL. Actually, the first season when we all came the first time, we didn't expect big stars like Salman Khan or Suhail Sir, Sudeep to come forward and welcome everybody, small, big. There was no egos. It was such a big family together, and that continued for 6 years. Even now, after the match, we don't talk cricket. We talk about different things. We sit, we have a good chat and have fun. That's the whole point of the CCL, coming together. And above all this, I think the best part is the Hyderabad crowd, which is always encouraging and welcoming. We love to play in the stadium because of the place and the kind of encouragement these people give us.
Well, go well today, Shyam. You'll have to put runs on the board. Wishing you and your team all the best.
So much. Thank you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. What's happened to the toss in this very critical encounter is that the Telugu Warriors captain Akhil has won the toss and he's decided to bowl first.
And the Chennai team. Now you realize we need 3 batsmen coming to open. So because one is a runner, so you might be confused why 3 are coming in together. Don't see that very often.
अच्छा हिंदी में शायद एक कहावत है कि 3 तिगाड़ा काम बिगाड़ा.
पर यहाँ एक बैट्समैन का काम बिल्कुल सही कर रहे हैं क्योंकि एक ऐसा लग रहा है थोड़ा चोटिल है और तभी आप देख रहे हैं एक रनर साथ में आए हैं.
अच्छा जब आप लाइनअप दिखा रहे थे तब मेरे जहन में एक बात आई कि दे आर विदाउट देयर रन मशीन्स. विशाल एंड Vishnu, Vishal and Vikrant, who have actually made a lot of runs for the Chennai Rhinos. How do you think they'll fare without these two stalwarts?
Yeah, you're right, Vineet. You mentioned about the three Bs. I remember, the first couple of editions, all of them did a fantastic job. Ramana, well, he's the opening batsman for the Chennai Rhinos. Just a bit of smiles there, a bit of handshakes, just having a word. Might be that they have worked together as well in one of those films. Don't know about that, but could be a possibility. Ashok Selvan, the non-striker for the Chennai Rhinos.
Well, it's going to be a cracker of a game because the local heroes, the local stars of Hyderabad have descended upon the stadium and are going to be providing a lot of entertainment off and on the field and on your screens as well. And Merry Christmas to all those who have joined us. It's the 6th match of the CCL Season 7. It's a 10-over match and we are going to be into the power plays. Only 2 fielders allowed towards the boundaries. A good opportunity to score, and we're going to be witnessing Raghu with the new ball.
Oh, bit of confusion there with the runner. Direct hit, could be tied. Oh, that's exactly what's happened. That is exactly what's happened. Mentioned about direct hit, bit of confusion. This was a bit late to start with. And that's exactly what they wanted, hitting the bullseye. Is he out of the crease? Is he struggling there? Exactly what happened. The throw coming in, bat in the air.
Well, it looks close, and he's a goner. Breakthrough in the first ball itself, and a very good start for the Telugu Warriors. Well, this is the kind of impetus and impact that will see them through. And Ajay, we already saw the kind of confidence, the kind of zeal and nonchalant attitude that Akhil showed. He said, we've won most of our matches, so it really doesn't matter what we choose to do when we start the game.
Yeah, well, that's given out. If the bat is on the line belongs to the umpire, and they're happy. What a start here. And all the fans who have come for the Telugu Warriors are pretty delighted. Tense faces there, not looking very happy, distraught. Losing of the very first delivery of wicket in a way of run out. The captain as well smiling there. Akhil, the man out, Ramana would open his account of the very first delivery run out by Qayyum, and it's 0 for 1.
रोमांचक मुकाबले की शुरुआत चेन्नई और तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के बीच में, और पहली ही गेंद पर ब्रेक थ्रू मिला वॉरियर्स को। लोकल क्राउड के सामने खेल रहे हैं, सपोर्टर्स की जब इंतहा हो जाती है तो जो मनोबल होता है उसकी भी इंतहा नहीं रहती अजय मेहरा।
और अगर आप देखें, जो रनर है बहुत लेट दौड़े, बहुत लेट अपनी जगह से निकले और वहीं फंस गए, तभी लेट हो गए वो रन लेते लेते। पर यहाँ पे पहला रन मिलेगा आप चेन्नई राइनोज के लिए। खाता खोला अशोक ने, बढ़िया शुरुआत नहीं, आप पहले बैटिंग कर रहे हैं, आप चाहते हैं अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिले आपको, एक अच्छी नींव आपको मिले, पर शुरू में आपने जल्दी विकेट गंवा दिया।